Hello, out there in cyberspace. Welcome to your second semester Majors Biology hybrid online course. Best of both worlds, lecture online, maybe 3 a.m. in your pajamas, lab face-to-face. I can't wait to get started in this course. My name is Professor Bree Day, and I will be your humble cyber guru slash guide in this course. This course is jam-packed with information. We're going to be going from evolutionary biology all the way through the human body and everything in between. So it'll be cover evolution, ecology, and conservation. It's going to do a whole survey of the diversity of life on Earth, as if that wasn't enough by itself, and go over the major systems of the human body. So lots of information, and I think it'll really give you an appreciation for how beautiful life is. Now, this course is challenging and it's a majors level, and it assumes that you have already had some basic biology, so you know what DNA is, you know what protein synthesis is, and the cell and its components. So if you don't have that information in your head, or even if you need a refresher, be sure to go back to some of the first chapters in your textbook and review that information or use the internet to do it, because we're going full speed ahead. I think you're going to really love this course. Evolutionary biology is the theme that runs through the entire course, and I think by the end, if not by the beginning, you'll see why that is. So I hope you enjoy this course. I can't wait to get started, and if you have any questions, be sure to email me. My email address is on the syllabus, and I look forward to seeing you online.